It's the night before Marvel Day at Sea, and we came back from dinner, and we got Thor's hammer as a towel animal. And some chocolates, of course, but look how cool that is! So today is Marvel Day at Sea, and we woke up to this being here this morning, which was a really fun surprise. We believe the stateroom host put it in the room last night while he was cleaning up our room and making the bed. So everyone should have gotten this in their stateroom. It's really fun. It was a nice surprise. Today is Marvel Day at Sea, so I have all my Scarlet Witch gear on because she's my favorite. And also, I got my own Infinity Stone! I just filmed that realizing that Avengers is on in the background. So someone left us this really cute Valentines duck on our door, and I'm obsessed. It's so cute. We've never really been pixie dusted or left a duck before. We sometimes find them around the ship, but they don't do that anymore, so getting this on our door was probably my favorite thing today. Which is great because I'm not feeling good.
Marvel Day at Sea is an entire day dedicated to everything Marvel, kind of similar to Pirate Night like I explained on the first vlog of this series. All the entertainment on board is Marvel and superhero themed. For example, there were Marvel themed trivias and activities to take part in around the ship, characters out for meet and greets, and even Marvel themed upper deck shows. You can find everything going on throughout the day on the Cruise Line Navigator app. It's a really big event that the crew puts a lot of thought and effort into. Unfortunately for us, I did not pay attention to the Navigator app, and because our Marvel Day fell on Valentine's Day, a lot of characters and activities were moved to the previous night. So, guess who got to meet Fancy Valentine's Day making Minnie dressed as the Scarlet Witch? Me. I was so sad I wasn't dressed nicer. The Vista Cafe, located on Deck 4 in the atrium, is also a great place to get coffee. They also have some of these snacks that are included with the cost of your cruise, and for Marvel Day at Sea, they switched up these little place cards. And they also had this really cute Valentine's Day latte, so of course I had to try it.
In lieu of Marvel Day at Sea, we got Thor's hammer. I can't wait to see what else they have around the ship.
Now for one of our favorite activities on Disney Cruise Line, the Rainforest room. You can purchase a day pass or a pass for the duration of your cruise, and you do get full day access. When you buy the pass, you can come and go as you please. I made sure no one was in here when I filmed, so these clips are from different nights. There's 3 different sauna rooms and 4 different showers, and these showers have multiple settings that switch between warm and cold water. These are really fun and very relaxing. The 3 sauna rooms do vary in temperature by just a little bit. These chairs are the best. They're warm, and I usually will lay here and read. And then when it's dark out, there's typically little lights in here, I think. There's 2 rows of them. Our favorite thing to do is come out to the 2 private hot tubs before dinner or when we're leaving port to watch the sunset. These overlook the water and the bridge, and you just really get the best view here. We probably spend most of our free time in the Rainforest room. It's just so relaxing. I'm obsessed.
No sé si es como una piedra de...
So cool. So some of the artwork around the ship is live, and when you walk up to it, it comes to life. That's so cute.
Big city, just standing up for a friend or helping out around the house can make you a hero too. You mean all I have to do to be a hero is be true to myself, follow my heart, and do the right thing? That's right. We can all be superheroes. We sure can. Right, everyone?
Slam! Now pose! Avengers Assemble!
Great job, everybody!
Well, what should we do now?
Let's celebrate! Great idea, Mickey! Hit it!
All right, let's show off what we learned with some dancing!
Now let's start by throwing our shields! Same thing!
Now, let's see those west on!
Let's fly into the future!
Let's see those camera plays!
We were in the spa and we saw this ship off in the distance, and it had a dark blue hull, which is Disney's signature ship look. And it kind of started to turn a little bit, and there was a big red light in the very middle of it. Absolutely the two red smokestacks for Disney Cruise Line. So since I have internet, I looked it up, and that's the treasure off in the distance. How cool is that? It's funny because it reminds me of when we were on the Fantasy and we saw the Wish off in the distance, and we were like, oh, we have to get on. And now we need the treasure. It's the Avengers A. That's so cool. This is our menu and it looks like a comic book. Wait, this is so cool. And they're all separated by character. Absolutely getting a gnocchi because Scarlet Witch. Well, this is really well done. I like it.
What?
It's really well done.
Yeah, that's why I said when you sat it down. I thought it was super cool.
This is so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the Captain America crab cake, and I know Philip's gonna try the Wakandan peri peri. Is that how you say it?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Anyway, it's a chicken skewer. And still gonna go with my gnocchi here too.
Attention passengers, Iron Man is officially on deck. Oh, thank you. Now, who's excited to be here? I may have invited a few friends. Would you like to meet them? First, these two have made giant steps in the microscopic world and are responsible for the technology you are going to witness today. From Ping Technologies, my friends and colleagues, Hope Van Dyne and Scott Lang. Hey everyone!
We'll be down in a minute.
Hey!
Hello, everyone.
Next, we have a true patriot and our symbol of freedom, Sam Wilson, or as we all know we have a master of martial arts. He's fought villains, slayed demons. Hey, he's even tamed dragons. Here he is, Shang-Chi. Kid, what are you talking about? You really need to pipe down right now. You're throwing off my groove. And finally, it is a privilege to introduce from Wakanda, King T'Challa, the Black Panther. Wakanda forever! That takes care of them. Everyone else good?
We're doing good here.
Maybe you spoke too soon.
Sorry about that. Bad guy overboard?
Drinks on it, Loki.
I don't think that's cool, kid.
Well, I prefer to be called the Scarlet Witch.
Wanda.
Don't worry about a thing, because it looks like smooth sailing.
So tonight's Valentine's night, and we came back to this. That is so cute, and it's a heart. I'm fairly certain. That's really cute. I just want to see what this is. Body wash infused buffer. Oh, it's like a body wash sponge in the shape of a heart. That's cute. Ooh, sugar dahlia. I like dahlia. Dahlia smells amazing. And let's see what this is. The captain, officers, and crew wish you a happy Valentine's Day 2025. Oh, we're keeping this forever. Especially because engagement cruise. And with that, our 5-night cruise on the Disney Dream with Marvel Day at Sea is over, and it makes me so sad. Thank you so much for joining me on this vlog. I did not get around to vlogging as much as I wanted to. Unfortunately, I haven't been feeling the best the past 2 days. So hopefully you enjoy everything that we filmed. Stay tuned for a merch haul, and I can't wait to show you everything that we got. We did go a little overboard on purchasing a few items, but it's Disney Cruise Line. They get all of our money. What can I say? And with that, thank you again for joining us, and I'll see you on the next trip.